Guys, in this video we are going to see how you can create Instagram ads, which is the most important if you want to advertise about your product or service and increase sales of your business. This is Shubham Gurle, son of a multi-business owner, a guitarist, a footballer and a social media marketer. There are two ways through which you can run Instagram ads. The first one is through Instagram itself, which we are going to see in this video only, and the second one is through Facebook, which we'll see in the upcoming video or in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the video, you will get the notification. For starting our practical work, we need to dive into my mobile screen. Let's dive into my mobile screen. Before starting practical work, there's just a small request. Just go and check out my Instagram profile because I'm going heavy on Reels and on Instagram carousels. If you find it valuable, then you can just hit that follow button. Link is given in the description. For starting our practical work of how you can create Instagram ads, I have to take any one of these posts. Suppose I'll just select this post and click on promote. Now here you need to define that where you want to send people to. You have to send traffic to your profile, your website, or you want that people should directly text you or DM you or Instagram. You can add your website from here. I'll just click this edit button and you can add your website here. Suppose my website is shubhamgurule.com. Yes, and you can select action button from here, whichever you want. I'll just click on done and I'll click on next. Now here you need to define your audience. You need to define your audience according to which ad you are running and in which niche you are. I am creating audience for suppose guitar workshop. For guitar workshop, I'll just create that and show you how you can do that. Just type guitar workshop. Yes, now in locations you have two options, regional and local. Local means in your particular city only that ad will be visible. You can select that radius from here. And regional means you can add cities. You can run your ad in different cities in whichever you want. I'll just show you how you can add that. Suppose I'll type Nasik, Pune, गोवा. नाउ सी जैसे जैसे मैं ऐड करता जाऊंगा सिटीज़, पोटेंशियल रीच भी बढ़ता जाएगा. दिल्ली, like this you can add. Go on adding. I'll just click on done. And now interests. Now I am running a ad for a guitar workshop. So under guitar workshop, whatever keywords comes, I'll enter it here. So I'll enter guitar. I'll take guitar. I'll take bass guitar, then I'll take acoustic guitar, and so on, like that. Interest you can add according to which type or in which niche you are. I'll just select done, and now here you can select age and gender. I have to show this ad to a particular age. I'll just select 18 to 45, and you can select that if your ad is only for of ladies cosmetics, then you can only select like this female, and if your ad is for both, dependent on that you can select both. So I'll just click on done. I'll again click on done. Now this is the audience which we have created. Just click on next. Now here you need to define your budget. What is your daily budget? So it starts from 80 rupees till 40,000 rupees. I will not take any budget now. Duration is from 1 day till 30 days. You can select that from here. I'll just click on next. Now here you can preview your promotion, that how it will look on Instagram feed, how it will look on Instagram stories, and how it will look on Instagram explore page. So I'll just go back. We have selected our destination, we have selected audience, we have selected budget, and now this payment option. See guys, many people face problem in payment option, so I request you that first link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. You will not face any problem in payment. So after selecting the payment option, just click on create promotion. Now
I have to not create the promotion, so I'll just go back and wait till the end, guys. There's some message for you.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, those who want to grow their business using Instagram marketing. This is Shubham Gurle signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome.